Hi everyone, it's Bobby here, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize one of our Valentine's Day designs from our website, which you can totally check out now. I will put that link in the description. What I did with these designs is I put them on some wine glasses and a wine bottle, but you can put them on anything you'd like. You can put them on a t-shirt, on a card, whatever you want to do. It's totally up to you and your choice. So the materials that I have here are 2 wine glasses, a wine bottle that I went ahead and peeled the labels off of, so that way I can apply my decal to it. I have our white glitter HTV vinyl, the black galaxy, the red glitter, our red cyan SS10 size crystals, hot fix crystals. I have my Bling Anything material, my brush, of course my weeding tools, and my scissors. So let's go ahead and get started in Silhouette Studio with these designs. First thing I do is I open the design, of course. Once I have that open, I do want to ungroup this design. You could do it by colors, but since it is going to be heat pressed, I do want it to be mirrored, which the templates have already done that for me. So I pick my first one, which is going to be my white glitter. So I do want to make sure that all my cut settings are correct. I already have my glitter preset in here, so I'm going to go ahead and just choose that. Before I load it into my Cameo, I do want to make sure that I have the blade on the correct blade depth and that my cut settings are going to cut this perfect. I always do a test cut, always. And it looks to be about right, perfect, so I'm going to load it in and send it to the cutter. After the white, I'm going to cut the black galaxy glitter. And after the black galaxy glitter, I'm going to cut the red glitter. And after all of that, I'm going to cut my magic flock. Of course, this is going to be a different cut setting, which I again have saved into my presets. So I'm going to choose magic flock. So after everything's cut, I'm going to weed all this material. Now I'm not gonna lie, I did make this design slightly smaller because it is going on some wine glasses. So the weeding was a little more meticulous than it would be if you were to say put it on a shirt. But if you're not intimidated and you like weeding, this part's for you. Alright, so I went ahead and I weeded my magic flock. I just got a little carried away and forgot to show you guys. I'm assuming everyone knows how to do that. I'm just going to set my stones into the holes here and brush them in. After that, I'm going to grab my hot fix transfer tape, of course. Making sure I have it set here. And then I'm just going to drop it real quick. Make sure they're set. And attach it to the back of my hot fix transfer tape, just so that way it's easy for me to carry. So let's go to the heat press. First thing with this Bling Anything material, you want to make sure that you are pressing the shiny side up. First layer is going to be the red, then comes the black. Right after I press that, I'm going to peel that off and put the white font on. Now with each of these presses, I do want to let you know that I'm pressing them for maybe 2 to 3 seconds. I just want to tack them on real quick. I don't want to do the full like 5 to 10 seconds because I am going to be doing 4 layers of pressing. So at the end, we'll go ahead and do like a final good press to make sure everything's on there nice and sturdy. Now once I press these, I just want to go ahead and do a quick pressing of the stones just to make sure they're nice and set in there. So everything's all ready for me to go ahead and cut these and get them stuck onto my project. When I cut, bling anything material, I try to get as close to the project as possible, allowing maybe like a centimeter of the bling anything material. This material is clear, so you're not going to really see those edges on the glass anyway. First one I put on my wine glass, make sure it's on there nice and smooth. Same process with the second wine glass and as well with the bottle. So my project is all done. Aren't these super cute, guys? You know what I really love about these free designs is you can put them on anything you want. I chose to just do this wine set. I know it'll be perfect for date night coming up for Valentine's Day. But like I said, you can put it on a shirt, you can put it on a car decal, you can really utilize it for anything. Hey, if you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, check back on our website periodically for any awesome sales we might have going on. If you have any questions, just comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.